Right, my first video in this year's Stwww 2024. This is my Stuart Victorian mill engine. I'm going to be running my Wilesco Fairground, all powered by the Stuart 501 boiler, which I better start because that's going off, as you can see, the old safety there. There we go, a little bit quicker. There's no way in the world this thing's going to go full blast because it'd shake this silly old picnic table to bits. It's a very, very heavy engine. Right, here we go. I'll turn the gas down a bit, hang on. That's it, right. See how we go here. Right, that's it. I think we're all set up. Yes, I'm saying. Bought this years and years ago. Quite cheap, non-runner. Piston issues, piston rings. Repaired all that. Look at it, lovely isn't it? I put it on a base with teak boarding. Put some real Victorian house bricks there. Lovely engine. Well, I'm going to guess that because I can't be bothered to stand up. Keep it up, see over the top. Very, very smooth. A little look at the while I was up there. The Fairground. Years and years now, figures in all my little setups I do. Just nice, isn't it? Lovely. Now I've slowed the big wheel down to a manageable level. I've put in the Meccano pulley wheels on it. Black one down there, blue one down here. I'm running just about the right speed now. Over the back there we've got my homemade condenser. Made out of an old copper pan from eBay with a piece of inch copper tube stuck in the top. All the pipework inside is correct. Running off at angles to the wall, so sprat them against the wall and separate oil from steam. And then all powered by this, what's in shadow, here we go, Stuart 501 boiler. Again, that was another derelict I bought and I've done it all up. So, there we go. We'll just sit back and enjoy this a little bit. Just pleasant, isn't it? Just pleasant to sit here and just listen to that and watch it. Loads of steam coming out of safety valves and little condenser at the back there. The only noises coming from that angled gear there, that right angled gear, just there. Very noisy, that's the quietest I can get it. I've been fiddling about with it and that's about as quiet as you're going to get it. Quickened it up a little bit there. I'm not going to turn it up. I mean, that'll go well so fast it's unbelievable, but it'll just shake the table to bits. Because in my little shed here, you wouldn't believe what I've got crammed in here. Oh dear. The whistle, it needs 3 bar to run that, and since we've only got 25 psi in the boiler, that won't run. Just squirts water at you. So yeah, a bit of a waste of space really. I have had it going. I've got a 7 bar compressor under here. It goes loud then. Go down and have a look. Ground level shot. How's that? I don't know if that's in focus. I hope so. Cleaned it up a little bit there, and you can already see how it's starting to vibrate. It's just this thing's so heavy and the table's so flimsy. I was going to run this one indoors on the big table, but it's a bit pointless really since I've got everything set up out here. Serve at the back. I'm running off gas today. I've got the burner for that boiler, but gas is so much more controllable and cleaner. Don't mess anything up. All clean when you're finished. Yeah, the shot bar might be a shake. I'm freehand today. I've not got behind a stand. I think I put the natural look to it. Right, this is coming up to 8 minutes now. That's probably enough. As I say, this is my first video of this year's show. One of my favourite engines. Hasn't gone since last year. Got so many engines, I just don't get the time to run them all. Right, I think what we'll do is turn that gas bottle off. Just excuse me a minute. There you go, bottle's off. Let that run down for a few seconds. Go down on the engine, I think, just for the last dregs. Look at that. Beautiful. So the bloke that made it did a good job. Good engineer. I couldn't have done it, that's for sure. There we go, I'll just turn that off now. Right, that's it. So that's my Stuart Victorian mill engine, my Stuart 501 boiler, and the Wilesco Fairground. Thank you.